Welcome back to JSATV, everyone, where we're coming to you live from the Expo Hall of Yotta 2024. We're covering the latest stories, trends, and innovations from leaders across the digital infrastructure industry. And joining us now, we have conference royalty. I should say we have Ammar Syed joining us from Oracle, and you're just fresh off of the opening remarks of the day where you were talking about cloud in 2030.
Absolutely.
How was that?
Super exciting, very provocative, interesting, innovative conversations throughout the conference. It's been learning for me as well, but at the same time, it's an opportunity to understand what's happening in the industry and what the trends are. And it's super exciting. And thank you for doing this. It's nice. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're so welcome. We're so glad that you could make it here today because we definitely need to be talking about cloud. It's not going anywhere, as you were just talking about in your opening remarks for the morning. So as organizations do continue to adopt those multi-cloud strategies, I mean, what do you see as the key challenges in managing all of those applications across those multiple different places?
Yeah, I would sum it up in one word: communication, right? So the applications, the data, the cloud platforms, they all need to kind of talk to each other, right? That interoperability. So with data, there's data transfers happening, there's data transformation happening, and we just need to make sure that all that movement is kind of standardized. So Oracle has tools available that allow for these data points as well as data sets to be kind of standardized across the different platforms. Then we look at applications. Applications need to talk to one another. So there's interoperability there. So there are some tools around that as well where Oracle can help communicate with other cloud providers as well.
Yeah. Sometimes the tech is only as good as the back end. If it's not working on the back end, it's not going to work out here on the end user side.
Yep. We got to get the right tools to do the job. So we want to make sure that everything is seamless for the end user experience there.
Absolutely. So I know this morning you were talking about AI in your talk as well. A little bit of AI is fueling what's going on in the digital infrastructure industry, right? Just a little bit here. So it's definitely transforming industries. It's, including communications, high tech. So how is Oracle so far leveraging some of those AI technologies?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we need to be reminded that machine learning and artificial intelligence has been around for decades, right? The evolution of it in the last couple of years has just been profound. Oracle has always and is continuing to inject enterprise-grade AI into all the stacks, right? Whether it's the applications, the data platform, the infrastructure, the security of it. So there's always AI built into it, whether it's for predictive analytics, whether it's for automation, whether it's to enhance, right? So when we go to our end customers, we give them the full suite rather than just bits and pieces of it. So AI is definitely part of the entire ecosystem within Oracle.
Yeah, and how would you say that is helping on the customer side, on the end user experience?
That's a great question. So customers don't have to spend that much time in terms of deployment. Customers can be rest assured that we are doing everything in our capacity for governance, data privacy, as well as security perspective. And customers know that when they're getting our applications, it's the best in class in the industry that's available with the latest AI tools.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, like we've said, AI is not going anywhere. You're leveraging it at Oracle. Yeah. We're seeing more and more enterprises starting to implement some AI tools on their end. Data centers are fueling it. So how do you see this ecosystem coming together eventually in the future?
Yeah, look, we talked about this earlier, I think yesterday, where we said this ecosystem is expanding. So there are players in this ecosystem, but interoperability, interconnectivity is going to grow, right? We can't just operate in silos, whether it's data centers in remote locations, bringing edge and compute and power and connectivity there, whether it's expanding into the next generation of monetizing income revenues, whatever that looks like. Everybody has to operate in sync, and everybody's got an important role to play here.
I do, absolutely. What do you see as Oracle's role in this as it grows?
Oracle has definitely been doing a lot of great, tremendous things around multi-cloud. For example, we've taken down the barriers or the garden walls around hyperscalers, right? So now, last month, we just announced our partnership with AWS, in addition to Azure and GCP in the past, where customers can use their Oracle Cloud Infrastructure (OCI) within Amazon's cloud. So customers have better pricing options. They have flexible choices on how to optimize the cloud services that's best fit for their business.
Yeah. And again, it's that interplay that you said, that everybody's got to be talking to each other, working together, and it all makes for a better experience on the end user side.
Yeah.
So before we let you go, you're definitely one of the bright minds here at the show and in the industry. So we have to ask you, in your opinion, just very broadly, what is AI's role in the future of this industry?
Yeah, look, we've got the foundational, right? Like automation, predictive, right? But I think every individual has a role to play on how we can enhance global communities, individuals. We need to be very cautious of sustainability as well, how we're operating, what we're consuming, what we're quote unquote spitting out, right? This all needs to be individual's responsibility as part of a unified approach to ensuring that there is proper governance as well as responsibility with implementing and deploying AI.
That's right. And I love that you said that. It's not sometimes one big thing, it's many small actions built up over
Absolutely.
time.
And everybody's got a role to play, whether it's an entity, whether it's an institution, whether it's us as individuals, we all have a role in this.
You're absolutely right. Very good. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Anything else you're excited about that you want to mention?
Super excited to see what the future holds in this and what you guys are going to be doing in this. So, it's yet to be discovered. Let's see.
All right. Well, Ammar, thank you so much for being on JSATV with us. Look forward to hopefully having you back again soon.
Would love to.
All right.
Thank you so much.
And to our viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't go anywhere. Plenty more to come here from the showroom floor of Yotta 2024. But in the meantime, stay curious and stay connected, everyone.
Thank you.